welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Noai. Today I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem. As you can see here, this problem is question number 3 from assignment 6. If you are new for educational channel, make sure to subscribe before starting this tutorial and give your like for me. When you can see this problem is about how you can use the concept of constrained motion, which means the motions of one particle dependent on the other particles, and the concept of relative motion, and by using cosine law and sine law, and simply solve this problem. As you can see here, knowing that the instant shown as simply has a velocity of 9 inches per second and acceleration 15 inches per second square, both directed downward, determine the velocity of the block B and the velocity of block A. We can simply given here the acceleration and the velocity of block B, and we can ask to determine the velocity and the acceleration of block B. So the velocity of A is already given here, and the acceleration also given 15 inches per second square. Let's the cable length is constant, which means the block, maybe this block move upward or downward, this is also the same time move upward or downward, but the length of cable is also constant, it's not changing. So length of cable is constant, is equals to XA, which means this value, plus 2x B with A, which means this length, which is 1 plus 2 is 2 times of x with B. When you can differentiate this value, we get VA plus 2B with A is equals to 0, since it is constant. When you differentiate it, value is 0. Again, when you can differentiate this equation, or when you can differentiate this, you will get acceleration as A plus 2A B with B. As we know here, we are given the acceleration and the velocity of B. We can simply substitute the value here, and we'll get the value of the acceleration of B with A, or the velocity of B with A. From equation 1, we'll get the velocity of B with A, which is minus 4.5 inches per second square, by simply substituting 9 inches per second in this value. So from equation 2, we'll get acceleration of A, which means the accelerations of B with A, which means its value is given already here. So we'll get minus 7.5 inches per second square. So after this, we can simply calculate the accelerations and the velocity of block B by using cosine law. As you can see here, you are given the velocity of is 9, or it's already given in this direction. We get the velocity of B with A 4.5 inches per second square. We are find this value simply by using cosine law. As you know, cosine law is very important in order to calculate the magnitude of the opposite angle, which are given. Theta is angle between A and B, which is 15 degrees, and A and B are already now 9 and 4.5. We can simply substitute the value, and we get 7.013 inches per second square. So after this, we can simply calculate the accelerations of block B by using this three-body diagram and cosine law. As this, we can follow the same procedure, but here we can replace V of A and V of B with A with acceleration of A and acceleration of B with A, and you'll get velocity of block is equals to 0.73, and the accelerations of the block is 11.688 inches per second square respectively. So it's all about this problem. If you have any question, you can put it in a comment section. Next, you will do question number 4. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel and share it for your friend. Until next time, enjoy the rest of your time.